Hi students, I'm going to try to explain to you our latest assignment. It's for grade 8 math. It is the task 1 applications of percentages. To get to the task, simply go to Google Classroom, log on, and you'll notice applications of percentages. The task is outlined here. The main part of the task actually is outlined in this document. Each student will get their own copy and all of your work is going to be done on that copy. For the majority of your work. There is another way you can do it, and I'll explain it to you. So your job with this task is to actually create a document that compares a minimum of 3 different ways that retailers advertise sales. So in some cases, a retailer will say 30% off. That's a percent discount. In some cases, they'll tell you the amount of money you save. And in some cases, they'll tell you the sale price. There may also be other ways, but these are 3 that we've outlined. You may want to do more than 3 as well, and that's perfectly fine. So your document, when you have this document, you're expected to include a few things. Your document should include a screen capture of the sale item, so we know exactly what it is, a table including calculations for each item, and you can do those calculations in here, in this table. And within that table for each item, so whatever your item is, we're going to put it here. You have to have all the cells filled out. So for item A, we need original price, percent discount, discount amount, and sale price. And then finally, we would like you to think about which strategy is the most appealing for customers. So as a person who owns a business, I want as many people to come to my store as possible and buy things. So I want to appeal to my customers. So we want you to look at which paragraph is, look at which of the different ways of advertising a sale is most appealing. And let's have a look at one, for example. For example, if we look at this Walmart flyer, they're selling, in this case, a type of laundry detergent. So they provide us with 2 pieces of information. The sale price, which is $8.88, and they provide us with the original cost, which is $13.77. So in your copy of the document, you're going to go back and you're going to put Purex. So name A is going to be Purex. And you're going to put the original price, again, is $13.77. And you're going to put the sale price, which is $8.88. What we would then like you to do is to include how you're going to actually solve for the percent discount. For example, if you had to do the discounted amount is simply going to be $13.77 minus $8.88, and you'll get an actual number. And you can show your work rate in the table if you would like. Okay? And then we want you to calculate the percent discount. If you were to go to another flyer, so, you know, I'm sure most of you are not out buying laundry detergent. You may have something you're more interested in, perhaps a bike or, some form of technology, or maybe you want to buy a new hiking backpack, or maybe you have a favorite food that you want to go buy that's somewhere on sale. Include those instead. Include something that you're more interested in. Now, when you go to do your screen capture, depending on the computer you're on, there's a lot of different ways to do that. On a PC, we can use a program called a Snipping Tool, and all we need to snip is this part of the screen. We're going to snip that. We're going to copy it. We'll go back to our original document. And we're simply going to go down and we're going to put that in. So we're going to put Purex, and then we're going to put in and do all of our calculations down here if we want. So a second option is to actually do your calculations here. There is an extension part to this activity where you can actually show what the actual calculations would be in order to solve this. So what if I were to do the percent discount, how could I do that in a spreadsheet? So if you would like to use a spreadsheet, you can go into your Google Drive account. So if we go into Google Drive, set it up. we can go into Google Drive, and once we're in Google Drive, we set up a new Google Sheet. We can then take this table, simply copy over the table into our spreadsheet, and then we're actually going to show how we would calculate each of these. So for example, in this case, the discounted amount, we can move it over to have a look, or we can actually take these cells and we can let them wrap so we can see them. If we wanted to actually figure out this amount, we could say that this amount is equal to the original price, take away the sale price, and it will auto-calculate it for us. So if you choose to do that as part of the extension, and it's not actually in that copy now, but I will change it, we want you to go at the end and we want you to paste in this spreadsheet. So you're going to take this spreadsheet, you're going to copy it, and you're going to paste it back into your document. Before you copy it though, we want to view the formulas. So it's actually showing us the formula. So what would the formula be, for example, if we wanted to find the percent discount? Equals, how would you calculate that? Which cells would you use? How would that work? Now, because you're doing 3 different types, one type, in this case, in the first case, we started off with the original price and the sale price. Another one, maybe we have our original price and the percent discount. What would the discounted amount be? What would the sale price be? Perhaps another one has our sale price and then a 20% discount. How much would we have paid if we didn't have the discount? So you're looking at a couple different ways to do that. Feel free to expand this as well if you want. And that is basically your project. When you're all done, that project is then going to be submitted. So this will come up with task 1, application of percentages. It'll have your name. You're going to submit that on Google Drive along with, please don't forget, your paragraph explaining which sales strategy do you think would be most appealing to customers. For example, when we look at this, is it more appealing to say that you saved a certain amount of money? Or is it more appealing to say what Walmart did here was it's $8.88? Or is it more appealing to say the percent of money that you have? Have a look at a couple different examples, then make a decision. Submit that on Google Docs, and that's your assignment. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to talk to your teacher. Thank you very much for your time.